Alright guys, so I'm just going to show you how to remove this rusty cotter pin that I've been working on. As you can see, the rust has took its toll on this part from my Hilux pickup. Yeah, it's very rusty, as you can see. I was struggling to get to it. So yeah, I'll show you a quick way of getting rid of it, unless you want to get a big angle grinder on it. This is my my little trick, a little Dremel, and you're basically just taking one of the lugs out. Well, it's got to be the one that's the closest to the cotter pin. As you can see, I'm just grinding gently at it. I don't want to damage the thread because I still have to get the castle nut off. And I've just cut a bit of it. I think it needs a bit more here, so trying to get it with my long nose pliers, but it's not. It needs a bit more. Still quite strong, that lug. A little more grinding here. I'm only using a cheap Dremel sort of type of tool. It's a rotary tool. I think this cost me about £20. This thing, maybe £15. It does the battery's not the best, but it does the job, and I've used it on so many jobs. It's actually from Aldi, this little rotary tool. But yeah, it did happen. So now I think I've ground it enough. I'll just need to get behind it and break it off. Don't do this if you got a long nose. Just use a strong screwdriver, something that you don't need, because I've already broke 2 screwdrivers before this, and I broke a bit of my Draper's long nose pliers, which they're not really the best, but so yeah, just gonna pry on it now. Just use the side, the other lug as a leverage, and just keep at it. But you'd see how rusty it is. I'm just gonna straighten the other side a bit to help it, and just keep at it on this side. But this was really rusty, and I mean very rusty, which I struggled to get off. I mean, I've had to do this with all the ball joints, all the track rod ends, cotter pins. Everything needed some sort of an adaptation to get it out. So I hope this helps people to, you know. I'm also doing a video on how to clean this up using a jet wash, but I'll add. My next video will be on how to clean this up using a sandblaster on a jet washer. Don't forget to subscribe, guys.